Today, let me teach you how to make a fire and cook your food with sawdust. First of all, we have to run down. I have to run down and go to where they are working woods. You know all these people that used to cut woods and work chair, table, and other things. I have to go there and beg them for the sawdust. I take one bag. This is us taking one bag. Bring it to the house. I have my already stove, a local stove I made. This local stove is just ordinary thing. Ordinary thing, I take it to those people that the welder people, they cut it and put leg for me. Is that how I get the stove? So you have to take it and fill it, put bottle inside and fill it. After, put your fire. You can use it to cook anything you like. You can use it to cook for a long time. This fire stays more than 1 hour. You're cooking and you'll be fine. You can cook rice, beans, many things at once. You stay more than stove, you cook more than stove, you cook very, very fast.